Welcome to my lecture series. In this lecture, we'll be seeing alligation and mixtures. So what is alligation? So this alligation is an old and practical method of solving arithmetic problems related to mixtures of ingredients. So people used to mix different qualities of an ingredient to gain a profit. So for example, this rule enables us to find the ratio in which one can mix two or more ingredients of different price to produce a mixture of desired price. And the best example is water being mixed with milk. So you can gain from selling the milk, right? The same thing. So this alligation can be used as a shortcut method to solve problems on percentages, that is money lent at X percentage and partially at Y percentage, and what is the interest, and when you mix two or more metals to form alloys, what is the percentage or what is the ratio of two metals can be mixed, and then two different type of ingredients that is being mixed to gain a profit. For all these problems we'll use alligation. So to understand alligation properly, one must understand ratios really well. So assume you have two quantities A and B, and they are in the ratio A is to B. So the ratio A and B is written as 5:3 here. So given this ratio, so what is the proportion of A? Like proportion in the sense, for the mixture, what is the quantity of A we are using? That is what the proportion of A really means. That is to find that A by A plus B. So A is 5 divided by 5 plus 3, like 5 by 8. So to the total of 8, the proportion of A is 5. That is the meaning here. Okay, 5 by 8 is the proportion of A in the mixture. Then what is the proportion of B? It is same, B by A plus B. What is B here? B is 3. 3 divided by 5 plus 3. So that is 3 by 8. Here 3 by 8 is the proportion of B here, and 5 by 8 is the proportion of A. So in both the cases, we have compared one quantity with the overall quantity. Overall quantity is what? The overall quantity is 8. So the mixture is 8, and we have find that the proportion of A is 5 by 8 and the proportion of B is 3 by 8. Okay, 8 units of mixture contains 5 units of A. That is the real meaning. So why I am stressing on this point is it is really important to know this. And another way to interpret this is the ratio. What is the percentage of A in the mixture? So the percentage of A is proportion of A into 100. 5 by 8 into 100, that is 62.5%. Out of 100% of the mixture, you have 62.5% as A and 37.5% as B. This is the real thing. When you add the 62.5% and 37.5%, you will get 100%. This 100% is nothing but the mixture. So another thing you can interpret from this ratio is, if 5 plus 3, what is 5 is A here, B is 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. The mixture that contains 8 units. If total is 8 units, then what is the mixture contains? So the mixture actually contains 5 units from A and 5 units from B. So to find the mixture that contains 16 units, what you have to do? Pause the video and think for a minute. So the 16 units will contain, you have find, right? So the 16 units will contain 10 units from A and 6 units from B. So what do you finalize from this? Ratios means you can find with the ratio the proportion of A, that is the quantity of A to the overall quantity, and the percentage of A in the mixture, and final thing is these ratios are multiples. So here the A is nothing but the multiples of 5 and B is multiples of 3. And thank you for watching. In the next video, I will be covering the problems in the alligation and mixtures. Thank you.